Namaste. Hello, my dear beautiful Cancerian. How are you all doing today? I welcome you all to your channel. This is your host, Shivansh. Those who are new to my channel, thank you so very much for tuning in. I really appreciate that. All right, so I'm feeling like Cancerian, you are feeling really overwhelmed at this point in time. Emotions are overwhelming, thoughts are overwhelming, memories are overwhelming. You are revisiting the past because, okay, Father is saying, first of all, don't get paranoid or get carried away by this. Thoughts, random thoughts or visions or intuitions that is coming, all right, because right now you are going through a process where through duality, universe is going to help you see what exactly you are supposed to see. So you have asked some questions to your Father in heaven. You're going through a test of patience right now. So Father is asking you, so be patient. So being a Cancerian, you may feel really overwhelmed emotionally, like as if somebody is attacking you in a heart space. It is all, universe is like trying to bring a breakdown here to have a breakthrough. All right, that's why you are experiencing something so emotional right now. So universe is saying there is nothing to fear. It is all, wow, that's so beautiful. And you won't believe, Cancerian, Ram's zodiac is Cancer Lagna, that is Cancer rising, and you got the Rama card. That means what I'm feeling is that King of Dharma, there is this Dharma, a birth of Dharma is taking place in your higher consciousness right now, which means, which will help you see as a Ram yourself. All right, when you see yourself as a Ram, you will understand that you actually is a co-creator with the universe, a spirit experiencing a human life. So that's why you are going through emotional roller coaster ride, emotional journey of your soul, where you are learning being compassionate, being understanding, being healing, being kind, being generous. All right, you are adopting or coming into this epiphanies or self-realizations through this past memories returning, past people coming. It just, everybody is like now giving you a different way altogether to look at things. All right, like for example, let me say, a couple of years back, like 2 or 2.5 years back, there was some random thoughts that was coming. I was seeing my past life. I was going through my past life regression. All right, and I saw my father's role in that life, and somehow in this lifetime I was like kind of having this negative energy within me pertaining to my father, and I started to have arguments and quarrel and fight with him, that you did this and you did this, you did not do this, that lifetime also you are not doing this, in this lifetime also, something like that, not standing or opening up his mouth or speaking for his own rights, or speaking when the speaking is necessary. All right, not able to speak, not able to take a stand, don't have that power in the spirit. All right, so that's what I was telling my father, that you are not taking charge of that in the past life. That's why you are like this also in this lifetime. And I was making him understand. But in the last 2.5 years, when I met my father this time, my entire perception was changed about the whole thing, of how I was looking at those aspects that time 2.5 years back, to when I met my father this time. I was like completely changed, and I was loving it. All right, I felt like as if God has come to my home. All right, and I'm taking care of my father in heaven. All right, in the shape of my own father, the same very person to whom I was quarreling or having fights and arguments about this and that, about bringing thoughts, things from past life, which is already gone. I cannot go back in time and change it. I now cannot take a revenge on a person who is like 77 years old. All right, I have to have this understanding, but I did not have that. I was boiling in that anger of what I have experienced in the past life. I carried that energy in this life, and that's through that tower I was so badly demolished by the universe, that you have to, I mean, you cannot be vibrating in that revengeful energy lifetime after lifetime. And that's how I got rid of that energy. And when this time when I met my father, I was like, I was as if like through him I was seeing Lord Shiva, and I was doing everything possible that I could have done for my father. All right, So that's the change of perception. That's the change of seeing at things. You have to come in this understanding right now, my dear beautiful Cancerian, that you cannot go back in time and fix certain things there. All right, even if these past thoughts are coming, even if you are getting triggered by the certain emotions that is coming, you have no control whatsoever. All right, so don't fight those emotions, fight those overwhelming thoughts, those don't fight those past memories returning or past people returning. All right, try to be in that energy of Ram. All right, Maryada Purushottam, embodying that energy of Dharma within you, that okay, please come, have seat, be humble, be generous, be graceful. All right, and if anybody has done any wrong to you, okay, just forgive them. All right, because they were also going through some kind of karmas that they had in their past life that was associated with you. All right, in some way, shape, or form, or whatever, you were playing a role in their life, or they were playing a role in your life of gaslighting you, triggering you, or being a guru, being a friend, being a healer. It's all as per the script. So you cannot fight that. That's what Father is saying. So better come in that energy that, yes, Father, I understand, I surrender myself, I let go of everything, I am all yours now. You tell me, I'm your child. All right, help me be that energy of vibrating in that Rama energy of Dharma. All right, and it says that fidelity in marriage. So if you have been going through bad marriage where there has been disloyalty, or there has been no respect, no understanding, no love, nothing was there, then this restoration is taking place in your marriage dynamic. And for some, those who has been into a relationship dynamic and infidelity was there, honesty was not there, they were cheating on, lying, or manipulating, or deceptive, then this energy is going to get shift now. All right, obedience as virtue. All right, it has now become a soul essence of yours, that you are vibrating in that energy of being dharma, the dharmic. All right, being ethical, being a person of moral virtues, certain beliefs that is the source of the creation that you understand now. All right, so you are being obedient as a child. All right, like you are now understanding that you are the child of the universe, and you are giving in your best effort to whatever you can do as a person, vibrating in that energy of being dharma. All right, putting in the right karma, and as well getting those artha, so that you can help others with the right intention and positive intention, help those underprivileged, and live your life like a king, like the Ram was, Ram is, and Ram will be. So there is a Ram within you, there is a Krishna within you, there is this 33 crore Devi Devatas within you. You are the tree of life. All right, that's what 33 Devi Devatas are. It's within you. That's tree of life. The universe is within you. That's what universe is trying to tell you. All right, you are going to be very, very loving, kind, generous, and very understanding. All right, security, name, and status. Your name, status, security is going to get increased now because of the grounding that you have found in yourself. And you won't believe, Cancerian, you can go and check my 3 reading that I have done right now: Scorpio, Virgo, and Sagittarius. There was this so kind, there was this fight, argument going on. I'm doing this reading on Ganesh Chaturthi, and there was this so much noise. And when I started to do your reading, it's such peace around. All right, and I'm feeling so calm and so composed, just like Ram himself. Me reading this for you is validation for you. There is this something major taking place in the 4th house, or pertaining to 4 elements: dharma, karma, artha, moksha. All right, which makes your foundation of your life with panch mahabhuta, that is the earth, water, fire, air, and the ethers. All right, and getting that alignment of your 3 nadi system and kundalini at its peak, and then finding that alignment of those chakras and connecting to the universe as a mighty being. All right, you have that warrior within you, and universe is asking you not to discount that. All right, and when you vibrate in that energy, security, name, fame, finance, abundance, everything will follow you. You will live your life like Ram himself. All right, adherence to truth, that will be your soul food. Standing for truth, speaking your truth. If you're saying there is any adharma going on, you have to go, stop, do your duty. All right, trying to keep one's word. If you are making any promises, all right, I'll do this, by as a man, with your entire being, like stand for that promise. All right, I made this promise to myself, to anybody, all right, or to the universe. I'm going to stand by it, and then continue to do work as a co-creator. All right, that's what you are going through right now, Cancerian. If anything has been dark in your life for so long, no understanding, no clarity, feeling overwhelmed, not able to explain your situation to anybody, you don't want to talk to anybody, feeling recluse, it is all feeling like you are in isolation. You are just going through that tarpan, knowingly or unknowingly, where you are, through your tears, you're shedding off your old skin and coming in your mighty power of understanding you yourself as all the pages who vibrate in that creative youthful energy of all, like those kings and queens who vibrate in that energy of that king and queen energy of all the elements, right? And then coming in that energy of emperor and empress and getting ready to rule the earth. When you try to be in that element of balance of yin and yang within you, the Ram and Sita within you, the Radha Krishna within you, all right, and vibrate in that unconditional love energy, vibrating in that being human kind of energy, holding that cup of dharma for yourself and getting ready to pour into the mankind and everybody around. That's when you are able to see, there is this birth taking place within you. You as a child of the divine, getting ready to live in on Mother Earth, whatever life you have, happily ever after. And you also have a relationship where dharma, karma, artha, moksha is restored, where every balance is restored. All right, everything is getting restored. I'm seeing restored, restored, restored. It's like everything is getting restored. You are getting restored with dharma, karma, artha, moksha. Yours is the fourth house. It makes a square, all right, from Aries to Cancer. It's like 4 signs, earth, water, fire, air, and ethers. You have all the signs, and then in between this, there is this rest of the zodiac's energy who is coming in and empowering your natal chart in some way, shape, or form. And in order to come in this energy, you are vibrating in that energy, my dear. When you are vibrating in that energy and manifesting that energy in your 3D reality, knowingly or unknowingly, through your tears, through your sleepless nights, through your prayers, through your meditation, whatever you are doing right now, it is worth watching your efforts. That's what Father is saying. It's really worth watching your efforts. So I really don't know what you are doing, but I'm saying, like, thank you for all your efforts that you are putting in, because God coming himself and saying that you are the Rama is no joke. And then coming himself and saying you are the Brahma, in his avatar of Vishnu, don't forget, from his navel comes out the Brahma. All right, so Rama is going to take birth within you. Then you as a co-creator of the universe will be coming and blooming in that lotus, like a Brahma yourself, becoming that co-creator. Yes, Father, I want to do this for these reasons. Give it to me. Yes, Father, I want to help these people. Please come and help me to help them. It's like your prayers are going to be like this. That means you are changing in a light speed. That's how I'm feeling. Absolutely, you're changing in light speed. I just cut the deck, and this is the card I got. Is you are your seventh chakra is completely in enlightenment right now. It is, don't discount your gut feeling, don't discount the knowledge, the random thoughts, and the psychic visions that you are getting. Whatever you are feeling right now, don't discount that, because right now your seventh chakra is absolutely open. That's why you are not able to understand between the logical world and the spiritual world. Hence you are feeling overwhelmed with your emotions, stressed and stuck, and don't know what to do or what to say about this energy. At the end, choosing to stay alone, and in this loneliness you are able to get hold of your life. You are bringing the puzzle pieces into one place and seeing the bigger picture. When you are seeing the bigger picture, you are seeing that the sun is actually within you, the Ram is within you, the co-creator is within you, and the entire universe is within you through the seventh chakra alignment, through the Kundalini and Nadi system, through the Panch Mahabhuta. That's why you are a spirit experiencing a human life. You are not a human human experiencing a spirit life, all right? You are a spirit experiencing a human avatar. So you never know which avatar you are. All right, you may be avatar of Ram. Ram also has gone through a lot of challenges in his life. That's why your life is a challenge. All right, Ram was here for a cause, for a mission. Who was working as a Brahma, was creating, doing something for the praja, for his people, right? As a king, and he was the sun energy for rest. All right, so that's what your energy is, and no coincidence that Ram was also is also a Cancer ascendant, and I'm doing Cancer reading. So if you are a Cancer ascendant, Cancer moon, Cancer's rising, Cancer sun, or you have a strong placement of Cancer, or you are in the axis of 1 7 4 10, then this message is a validation, all right, to whatever I am saying is happening in your life right at this point in time. All right, this entire heavenly being, heavenly body is watching over you, or over your actions, over your actions. Universe has a hold here. Just imagine a person going through some brain test, and there is this flux, right? And they are seeing something in the computer. Your situation is also like that. That's why you're not able to explain how you are feeling, all right? Because universe is resetting your consciousness, all right, bringing you into that Krishna consciousness, Ram consciousness, Jesus consciousness, Prophet Muhammad consciousness, Sai consciousness. There is so many Buddha consciousness. Say there are so many consciousness that you need to vibrate in. How Krishna used to be, how Buddha used to be. Read about this living God, all right? They may not be there, we can see with our 3D eye, but their energy is very much within us. Only we need to vibrate in that. How Sai Baba lived all his life, even though he knew that he was God, like a beggar, right? Asking for his food, for his living, and always speaking the good thing, That's what I'm saying. So you have to read these characters and vibrate in that energy, all right, so that you are more connected to the universe, you're more connected to the Ram energy, you're more connected to the Brahma energy, you're more connected to the sun energy through your chakra system. That means universe is asking you, my dear, that meditate. Meditation is the only thing for you right now, all right? Don't discount that. Don't discount. Meditation is the only thing for you right now, and that meditation will take you into the depth of your soul, where you will be swimming to find the puzzle pieces and bring it into one place, from where the entire illumination will take place, all right? So this is what is taking place in your life. So don't get carried away, don't feel overwhelmed. It is just know that it is a process. You are going through a process, so trust the process, all right? So I hope this messages has helped you in some way, shape or form. Until we meet again, I'm sending across much love and light to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed and in peace. Bye-bye.